Hi, this is Sohini at Dabble Lab, and this happens to be our second part of the Sendgrid video that explains how Sendgrid credentials can be effectively used in an Alexa skill. So we'd use the scheduling template created by Dabble Lab for this demonstration. Let's create a sample skill. I'm assuming that you're aware of this template we have built in the past. If not, please refer to the video below to understand in detail. Briefly, this template is used to schedule appointments for the owner of the skill, so people would invoke the skill, look for a time and confirm their appointment with the owner. Post the booking, the owner would be notified via an email they provide, and the user would be notified too for the appointment they just took. So here's where Sendgrid comes to the picture. To automate the facility of a user receiving an appointment confirmation email and the owner receiving a notification email as soon as some user booked one, we use Sendgrid. In our previous video, we set up our Sendgrid account and created an API key. We'll be needing that now. So going back to our skills dashboard, we open sample.env file and rename it to .env. We turn the send email variable to true, pass in our API key here, keep a name. This name and this email is going to show up in the email that the user would receive after they've booked an appointment. Remember setting up the sender's email in Sendgrid? This is why we did so. And finally, the notify email will be used to receive the appointment confirmation of the user in the owner's mailbox. For this skill, we need to enable profile permissions. Make sure you do so from the Alexa app. And now let's test a demo. Okay, you can see the email here that I received after I booked an appointment. Now since I built a skill and I am the owner, I'll also receive the notification email as I mentioned earlier. And here's it. The owner and the user are definitely going to be different for you all. This skill was for testing purposes, so I had to roleplay both. When you try the skill and publish it to let people book appointments with you, other contact information is gonna pop up for sure. That's all. I hope all the confusion with Sendgrid is over now. In case you have doubts, questions, or queries, please share them in the comments below. And if you really like this video, do hit a like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!